In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on the Whop website, setting the stage for you to explore and utilize its features effortlessly. Whether you're here to explore existing products or dig into creating your own, this guide will walk you through the essential steps from starting at the homepage to beginning your journey with Whop. First, you'll want to navigate to the Whop website by opening your preferred web browser. If you're not familiar with it, just type in the Whop URL in the address bar and make your way to the home page. Once there, you'll notice a sign up button prominently displayed right on the home page. Give it a click and you'll be on your way. Now, it's time to enter your details. You will be prompted to fill in some basic information. This includes your full name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to choose a password that you don't use elsewhere to keep your account as secure as possible. This step is all about laying the foundation for your Whop experience, so ensure your information is accurate. Before proceeding, you'll find a box that needs checking to agree to Whop's terms of service and privacy policy. This is a standard procedure for most online platforms. It's always a good idea to review these documents to understand your rights and responsibilities as a user. Once you're comfortable, check that box and let's move on to the next stage. After you've submitted your details, it's time to verify your email. Head over to your email inbox and search for a message from Whop. The email should pop up shortly. Open the email and click on the verify link contained within. This verification step is crucial as it confirms your identity and activates your Whop account. With your email verified, you can now log into Whop. Upon logging in for the first time, you'll be prompted to complete your profile setup. Add in your desired username, a profile picture to personalize your account, and fill in any other required details to ensure your profile is ready and complete. Once your profile is all set, you're free to explore and start using Whop. You can now delve into the array of products available, or if you're feeling creative, you can embark on creating your own products. Additionally, Whop provides tools to integrate with your community, making it a versatile platform for various needs. And there you have it. With your account set up, you're now ready to dive into everything Whop has to offer. Whether you're looking to browse, create, or integrate, your journey starts right here. Enjoy the exploration, and happy Whopping!